My name is Ningkhan, honest, and thank you so much for coming through. Yes, this is the first tissue paper machine, which is gonna set up here in Yukon district. And yes, I have the machine here, and right now there is no electricity, but we have made some few here. This is the soft tissue paper, and yeah, that's about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else are you going to produce from
Okay.
this line?
Yes, for now, I just have this few weeks, which is by the last week of March, the paper cups and the paper plates will be ready. Yeah, so these are the three machines which I'm planning to bring right now. But I have one more, which is a bigger project than this three machine, which I made it on my own. Yeah, I would love somebody if somebody were to sponsor me, but I would love that. But yeah, this is all mine from let's say from the start to the